Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. So we already have learned about PL SQL collections and we have used PL SQL collection method at several places, but I never got time to explain you about PL SQL methods. So today I'm going to start with this new thing, PL SQL methods. We already have used PL SQL methods at several places, as you might be knowing about count, exist, first, last and all those things. So in this chapter, in this tutorial, we are going to learn it in brief way. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. Okay, so what are collection methods? Collection methods are PL SQL built-in functions and procedure which can be used in conjunction with collection actually. Okay, why we use collection methods? Using PL SQL collection methods, we can get the information as well as alter the content of the collection. Okay, now how many collection methods do we have? We have total 10 collection methods. If I have explained all the collection methods here below, so we have total 10 collection methods. Out of these 10 collection methods, 3 are collection procedures and 7 are collection functions. Okay, and I have written below what 3 are procedure and what 7 are functions. So as you can see, we have count, exist, first, last, limit, prior and next. These are the functions. Collections, PL SQL collections method. Okay, and delete, extend and trim, these are the procedures, PL SQL collection methods. All right, now I'll explain you each of these functions, each of these methods one by one. In my next tutorial, I'll give you an example of count, I'll give you an example of exist, I'll give you an example of first, as well as I'll give you an example of delete, extend and trim. So I'll explain you all these methods one by one in my next couple of videos. And the last point is, how do we use collection methods? The things are very simple actually. In collection method, we just use dot notation, collection dot method. Okay, so again, the parameter is optional. If it is required, we'll give the parameter, otherwise we will not give it. So this is just an information for all of you about PL SQL collection methods. I'll explain you, I'll show you with examples in my next couple of tutorials. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.